Hello third class. Today we are learn maths. So open your maths book. Page number is 5. Chapter number first, numbers. Let's rewind. In class third we have read about numbers up to 999. Here we shall read about numbers up to 9999. Let's first rewind the work done in the previous class. हमने पिछली क्लास में 999 तक नंबर्स पढ़े थे. अब हम 9999 तक नंबर्स पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, हमने जो भी पिछली क्लास में पढ़ा है उसे हम फिर से एक बार रिमाइंड करेंगे. रिवीजन एक्सरसाइज. राइट द नंबर नेम फॉर द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 217. राइट करेंगे 200 17. 639. 639. Okay. 409. 409. 860. 860. Okay. 955. Write the numbers for the following numbers name. Okay. First question is 328. 328. 436. 436. Next 971. 971. Next 650. 650. Okay. Next 706. 706. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में आपको राइट करना है 367. 360 प्लस 7. ओके. 405. 400 प्लस 5. 759. 700 प्लस 50 प्लस 9. 463. 800 plus 60 plus 3. Okay. Write the place value. 7 in 527. Place value is 7. Okay. Second question is 6 in 646. Place value is 600. Okay. 1 in 819. So 1's place value is 10. Fill in the boxes using greater than, less than or equal. Question number first 273. 280. So this is small number and this is big number. So we use less than sign. Okay. Next question is 655. 705. This is small number and this is big number. Okay. So we use less than sign. Next question is 232. 222. This is big number and this is small number. So we use greater than sign. Okay. Next question is 411. 411. This is equal. So we use equal sign. Next question is 592. 529. This is big number and this is a small number. So we use greater than sign. Next question is 923. 923. All are equal, so we use equal sign. Bring the greatest number, put a box around the smallest number. Also write whether the number are in ascending order or descending order. So you ring greatest number and box smallest number. This is the greatest number and this is the smallest number, and it's right from descending order. So you write descending order. Okay. This is smallest number, and this is greatest number. This write from ascending order. This is greatest number and this is smallest number. So you write descending order. This is greatest number and this is smallest number, so we box around, and this is greatest number, so we ring. Okay, this is right ascending order. We write ascending order. Arrange the given number in ascending order. So we write small number, then big number 421, then big number 519, 736, 962. Okay, arrange the given number in descending order. We write big number, then small number, (36) 203. Okay, you understand? Exercise is 1.1. Write the numerals for each of the following numbers name. 4246. We write 4246. 7902. 7902. 5007. 5007. 8109. 8190. 3008. 3008. 9206. 9206. Okay, next question is write the number name for each of the following numbers. So first question is 1234. We write 1234. 34. Okay. Next question is 9876. 9000. 800. 76. Okay. Next question is 6050. 6050. Next question is 8003. Right? 8000. 3. Next question is 7358. 7000. 300. 558. Next question is 4444. 4000. 400. 44. Okay. from numbers shown on the SPK abacus. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज काउंट द नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 राइट 6 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 2 okay 6182. Next question, count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 8 5 2 and 4 7524. Count 1 2 3 4 5 8 5 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 5019 is answer. All questions are same, so you solve this question. Exercise 1.2. Circle the number with 8 in the thousand place. So 8 in the thousand place, 8 in the thousand place. Okay, 5 in the ones place, 5 ones place, and this is ones place, ones place. Okay, 6 in the hundreds place, 600 place, 100 place, and 100 place. 3 in the 10 place, 4 in the thousands place. Okay, next question is write the place value of underlined digits. So 3 300 2 200 26 9000 5000 30 300 3000 and 4000. Next question is write the place value of the given digits. So 9216, write 6 10 200 and 9000. जिस नंबर्स के आगे जितने भी डिजिट्स रहेंगे उतने ही ज़ीरो यहाँ पर ऐड होते जाएंगे. ओके, यहाँ देखेंगे, लुक एट द बुक, राइट 9 10 0 and 5000. Okay, 8 20 300 7000 1 40 300 8000. Both are question same, so you solve this question. Next question is write the number 5 2 6 7. Okay, 7625. नेक्स्ट राइट करेंगे 6 8 9 and 3 3986. You solve this question. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. 3914. So write 3910 plus 4. Okay, 2608. 2600 plus 8. Okay, 5394. 5390 plus 4. 7000 plus 8. Okay, 2560. 2560. Write the short form of the following expanded form of numbers. We write 9624. Okay, 5000 82, 7,504, 6,065, 9,990. Okay, 2,501. I hope you understand. So you write in your copy. Okay, thank you.